Hello and welcome. Once again, I am here with the pick a card reading. Here we are going to know what is the messages Ma Bhairavi trying to get you people. Is there any specific message during this Navaratra she is trying to convey? Let's see what Shakti wants us to know during this Navaratra and how best we can just plan our Navaratra and the post Navaratra also. So welcome to Tarot Destination. I am Raina once again with a pick a card reading. So here on the screen you can see there are three sections of the card. Section 1, 2 and 3. Close your eyes, connect to your divine, call Ma Bhairavi, connect to Bhairavi, connect to Ma Shakti and ask her to help you in selection of the section of the card, and accordingly select the card and see what special message is she is channeling for you through this pick a card reading, and we will get to know what Bhairavi wants us to know. So I think this is going to be interesting, and since she is a Shakti but she is also a feminine energy, so she is having the nurturing quality. So mothers are always strict, fine, but they are nurturing. So definitely she is going to nurture her children's. So we shouldn't be worried and messages are going to be great. So thank you so much Ma Bhairavi for channeling such messages. So I would request select your section and timestamp, it is already given. You can directly jump on your timestamp and you can just check out your reading. Make sure you are sharing this video to your friends and family also, so that they will also get their message what Bhairavi wants them to know. It might help. So this is a small initiative from Tarot Destination, which here I am trying to channel her energy, and let's see what message is coming. So let's start the reading. So let's see people who have selected section 1, what Ma Bhairavi wants to know during this Navaratra. What are the things you need to keep in mind? So section 1, first card, you are having 6 of Pentacles. Here Divine is asking you to donate little and keep remaining. Balance is required. Somewhere I think you are missing the balance in your finances and while dealing with the people. You are not doing justice with the people. Somewhere this message is coming. So whatever you are having excess, try to share with the people and make sure you are sharing with someone very needy. So before sharing, you have to keep in mind, you have to assess the situation well, and then you have to extend your help. So here your mental clarity, it is required, your intelligence, it is required. Through this 6 of Pentacles, somewhere I think the divine wants you to make balance in the life. You are missing the balance. There are people in the family, probably I think you are giving too much to them, and somewhere it is happening in your mind what will happen to ours. You are trying to create something solid for you. I would say you must be planning something materialistic thing for you. For example, you wanted to take a house, or you wanted to make some property, but you are thinking everything we are giving, so what will be left out for us? So the divine message is for you, whatever you are giving, if you are having a guilt in your mind, if you are feeling bad while giving, so I think this giving, it is not going to work out. So just change your perspective, and if you are not in a capacity to give, if you are not willing to give, clear cut answer you have to give. Talk to them clearly how much help you can extend and how much you cannot. What is your capacity? So here 6 of Pentacles, it is talking about please look out your capacity also before helping. So one way, as I said, you need to do little charity to the needy one, but at the other side, don't do it too much, because if anything you are doing excess, it will not help you. It will create excess burden on you. So it will create, this burden is going to create a mental strain for you, and you may think the things are not happening the way you want. And this ego also will come in your mind because you are doing too much for others, so definitely expectation also will come. But here Six of Pentacles, yes, it is a card of giving, because whatever you will give you are going to get back. But yes, intention matters, so make sure what your intention is. So work on your intentions, please. Let's see what is the next card for you. Next card is Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords, here once again it is talking about, if I'll just compare with the previous one, it is talking about have clarity in your mind. What do you want? If you are giving something, you have to give with good intention. Don't keep something else in your mind, and don't keep a bad intention towards others. For example, you are giving to someone in the hope of like the person should give you double, or later on something also you want from that person. So that expectation you please don't give, because whatever you are giving as per your wish. If you are bound to give, definitely you have to raise your voice and you have to say, now it's too much, we can't. So you should learn the art of saying no. Here Queen of Swords, I think it is indicating you need to be little careful while communicating, before signing any documents or anything. That also you need to be careful. Or I feel here some communication may happen when I'll combine Six of Pentacles and Queen of Swords together. I think some communication may happen, some agreement may happen where you need to check out the terms and conditions properly. It should be in a balanced way. Somewhere the balance, if you lose, I think it may go in a wrong direction and you may feel the pain of that cut. So the mental clarity, it is very important. You need to be very clear on your terms. You need to convey your demand or your expectation to the other side of the person very clearly, so that later on no confusion should come. Queen of Swords, here it is talking about, yes, you need to carry a nurturing quality of a female, but with the same time you need to be very clear with your mind. You are nurturing, it doesn't mean the other person should take advantage of you. So your intention, your thoughts, you need to be clearly communicate to the people, clearly communicate to the universe, so that whatever you want, it comes to you correctly. Because if you are not giving correct address, it is going to be difficult for you to get your parcel delivered to the correct address. So the clarity is very, very important. So here divine is giving, be clear what you want from your life, and whatever you are giving, you need to be humble in that, and make sure you are using your brain before giving to anyone. So this is the clear message it is coming. Charity is good, but too much charity also, it creates problems. Let's see what are the other cards. It is Existence and the Intensity. Here these two cards, again they are talking about you are quite smart enough, you are having sufficient, but somewhere you are lacking focus. These cards again, if you'll see, they are talking about you have the ability to create magic, you have the ability to create something new opportunities. You have some good long-term plans. I think you wanted to invest somewhere, but focus it is required. Somewhere you are distracting. You are losing your energy. So put your energy at a correct place in order to get good result. Though you are talented, though you are hardworking, though you are brainy, but if you will lose your focus, your results will not come out whatever you had given. So make sure how much hard work you are giving to your work, you should get back. For that you need very, very much clear on the subject. Mental clarity is very important, and regular continuous effort in the same direction, it is very important. For the section 1 people, I feel you wanted to invest something, you wanted to create a asset, and you are having ability also, somewhere you are getting clarity also, but you are simply shaking. You are not able to decide whether it is now or later. Whatever you wanted to do, I think without wasting much time, you can go for that, and result is going to be great. So make sure pros and cons you are checking, and go ahead later on. Don't show regret, because when you are regretting, so whatever you had earlier given your effort, that result you are not going to feel in coming time. Now let's see what is the angel message for you. Angel message, it is entrepreneur. So here again it is talking about something to do. Something to do with your money, something to do with your skill. Something you wanted to do in your life and you wanted to show people what you are. Here again, if I'll just compare with the Queen of Swords, you can just match it clearly. The lady is sitting alone, very clear in her mind, very clear in her expression. And here when you'll just connect to the entrepreneur, and then this card when you'll connect to the Six of Pentacles, clearly it is talking about to start a venture, to start a new work. Something you are trying to start, something you are planning to do. There you are going to use your investment and your skill. So I think something fresh you are planning to start during this Navratri. I think you may go for that, or I think somewhat up to some extent you will have the clarity what actually you want from your life. So I think the Bhairavi is giving you very clear cut message. Whatever you are doing, please be confident on your skill, be confident on your decisions, or I think whatever you will do, self-employment is going to work out for you. You are quite clear. Somewhere you are lacking focus, that's true, but if you'll pay attention, little extra to your time, to your skill, or to the company also, I think you are going to get good results in the coming time. So the Bhairavi, one clear message after seeing all the cards, and I feel please go ahead, don't wait for the company, don't wait for the support. If you'll sit and wait for the support, I think you will just sit and keep on looking for the support only, because this is what we got the first card, Six of Pentacles. You can see the person sitting in the bluish green color dress. He's simply looking at the other person and he's waiting for his turn, as if he has to wait. When his turn will come, he doesn't know. And the next card we are having, we should be having nurturing quality, but we need to be very clear. So don't involve yourself for the small things. Like if I would say, if you're busy in your household things every day and the whole day, you won't be able to pay attention to your skills. You won't be able to pay attention to your desires. And somewhere something you are just cribbing, or something for something you are just trying to hit, that you can just feel it from the existence card. Existence here, it is talking about, again, if you'll go alone also, you can do that. Journey could be little harder, but you can do that. So here entrepreneur, all 4 cards, they are justifying. Don't wait for the support, start your venture. I think Bhairavi, the divine Ma Durga, is going to help you, and this is the clear message. I think in future also, if you are planning to do, go with full clarity and make sure you are putting your full effort. During this all 9 days, it is advised to you stay alone and spend time in meditation, because when you'll see the existence, the person is sitting alone. And if you'll sit and meditate alone, you will have clarity of like Queen of Swords, and you will get power of this intensity. How this intensity card, you can see how the person is focusing at only one point. So like this, you can, I think you will succeed in your venture, and just start Because if you'll not give something, as of now, if you'll not start something, I don't think so you will be able to have balance in your life. So I think the finally Six of Pentacles, when I'll conclude, Six of Pentacles is giving that only. So I think the money will come in your life. Definitely you have to work hard. Something new you are going to start. It is talking about a new venture, and it is talking about, since it is a new venture or new beginning, so definitely the journey is going to be adventurous, but yes, you will have the success also. Because once you will have the quality of Queen of Swords, the clarity, you are having the nurturing quality as well as you are having clarity in your mind, I think no one can stop your success, and with time you will succeed. So this is the message from the Bhairavi, Ma Durga. I hope you will embrace this advice in your life, and wish you all the very best. To people who are going to start a new venture or new assignment or new project, it is going to be great. Thank you so much. Jai Ma Ambe. Let's come to section 2. Section 2, let's see what are the cards we got. First card we got Five of Cups. Here the person is little depressed, the person is little unhappy. But I think here the Bhairavi wants you to know whatever has gone, just leave it, just let go, because still you are having something good. Look back and just check you are having good support. It is waiting just behind you. So be happy, go ahead. Journey is still there. You can cope up this time. This is not that hard time the way you are just trying to pretend. So don't pretend, because no one else will come to help you. You have to help yourself. So here the Bhairavi's message clearly for you through the first card. Leave the unnecessary relationship, leave the irritating relationship which you are simply carrying, simply you are just holding them. If they want to leave, let them go. You cannot control others, and happily stay with the people who loves you, who cares for you. So you need to understand the people who are with you and who are not. So this is the, I think this whole 9 days, this is the special message from the Durga, Ma Durga. You should understand what is good for you. Try to understand. Don't get attached with so many things. These are the things which is only to suck your energy. They are not going to help you. They are not for your highest and best. This is the reason they are trying to go away from your life, or they had already might have left. So simply don't try to be unhappy. Simply don't pretend you are just you are not going to stay without them. In fact, when you'll just look back, there are good people waiting for you. There is good time waiting for you, which I think you have left from just because of the other people. So now it is time to come back, because there is no delay yet. You come back and just enjoy your existing situation, existing people, or whatever thing which is left out with you. Still there is a long journey. You can't simply stand and pay your grief on this unpleasant situation. So simply leave it, let go, change your perspective and move ahead. There is good thing is waiting for you. Now let's see what is the next card. Next card is very wonderful, Empress. So again, if I'll connect with the Five of Cups, it is showing you are having the quality to grow in your life alone also. Simply you are trying to depend on others. Simply you are showing dependency on others. Just let go and try to grow alone. You are having all the resources. You are not knowing how to utilize all that. So put your creativity in the present negative situation, and it will turn back to a complete different situation, a very positive situation, wherein I don't think so you need to go and ask something from others. It is good for the people also. People are also going to enjoy with you. People who loves you, people who really care for you. So Empress, here it is talking about please carry on and have the creative approach towards the life. You cannot simply hang on for one particular situation with some particular people. Try to explore, try to learn the art of let go, and learn the art of nurturing, because nature is trying to teach you. Until and unless you will not nurture yourself, you will be dependent on others, you are not going to grow in your life. So I think in this Bhairavi wants to just show you, I think, something new path. I think something great you are going to get in the coming time. Might be you are in a very painful situation right now, but in coming time you are going to enjoy your life. There is possibility, I do see after seeing this Empress. Might be if you are single, you are not getting a good life partner, so it is possibility during this Navaratra something will happen, or during this Navaratra or just post Navaratra something great options are coming and you will get fulfilled. You may feel fulfilled and you are going to enjoy this opportunity basically. Let's come to the next card, what it is showing. So here we are having friendliness. Here you can see on the cards there are two trees and they are in a different colors, but they are happy together. They are complementing each other. So again here when I say after seeing this Empress, I am just feeling might be you are going to have a good company, good life partner or something. So this, I think this friendliness, that is validating that opportunity. So there is a chances people who are single or people who are very much depressed, they are alone, I think they are going to have a good company which is going to nurture your life and which is going to teach you the nurturing art also. Because if someone else will nurture you, you should also learn that art, because you should nurture yourself also. So I think this is a good news. Beginning, though it started with the bad, but later on it is going to be great. So I think Bhairavi is bringing something great opportunity, some good partnership, I think some new proposal for you, some good proposal it seems. And that is going to be something great. And I think you are going to enjoy this Navaratra or post Navaratra also. I think you are going to have lot of gratitude to this Navaratra. I guess you are going to have a lot of good thing. Let's see what is the next card. Next card we are having new visions. So here again it is talking about please take a major turn. So here this new vision, it is trying to tell you please change your perspective, look the other side. Here if I'll combine all the four cards, so now I feel there is something must be happening in a relationship. Either you are single or either you are in a relationship, lot of problems are going on, or might be the person is depressed but there is good things are coming, but you also need to change yourself. I think the whole situation is going to be changed, and in the new situation you should not feel overwhelmed. In fact, you should enjoy the situation. Don't overreact on the situation. Try to embrace the changes. I think new changes are coming for you, new movement is coming for you, and you are going to enjoy. Little bit pause is there, little bit you may feel things are not moving the way you want, or I think this time is given for you, this painful time it is given for you to understand who is working for you and who is not working for you. Here after seeing all these four cards, definitely I would say if you are performing any remedy, please perform with full faith and make sure keep this Empress card picture with you. Meditate with this Empress card. It is going to get you a lot of opportunities. If it is related to marriage, that also going to work out. If it is business, that also going to work out. Little bit halt is there, but that halt, it is there to show you the correct path, to show you the correct situation. Might be something danger it is coming towards you, and this halt, it is trying to change that loss for you. I think it will minimize the loss, and later on you can recover that loss also with the good opportunities. So change your perspective towards the life. Whatever has happened, just happened. Move on and live your life, because the next cards, if you'll see in the row, they are just talking about please live your life. Everything you can't make in a single color. Everyone is having different shades, and you should enjoy with that different shade, because different shades if won't be there, you will not see the colors of life, you will not enjoy the life. Now let's see what the Bhairavi has given through our angel card. So angel card, we got the relationship. Here the relationship, initially I was talking about some new relationship, proposal, new business partnership, something like that. And this angel message has also come for you, relationship. But here again it is talking about please love yourself, love your people, people who really cares for you, and love your situation. If you are trying to run away from this situation, I don't think so someone else will come and work for you. You have to stand to that place and you have to face the situation. So for these section 2 people, I think the Bhairavi is going to give you lot of good news. I think a good relationship, something new you are going to start. It could be a partnership, it could be a new relationship. Little halt is there, yes, but if you are going to get something big, so it will take time, and you also will take time to adjust in this new situation, because later on you have to embrace it, later on you have to enjoy this situation. So I hope Ma Bhairavi has given you a lot of good opportunities. I think people who have selected section 2, though the beginning is little sad, but later on you are going to enjoy. And whatever you are struggling with since long, this Navratri, I think it is going to fulfill all your wishes. So make sure what do you want, be clear on that, and definitely new vision will come to you, new way will come to you, and you are going to love that. Jai Ma Ambe, all the very best to everyone. Now let's come to the section 3. Let's see what Bhairavi wants you to know during this Navratra. So here we got the first card, King of Pentacles. Next is Ten of Cups. Third is Breakthrough. Fourth is We Are the World. And our bonus card is Energy Work. So what this King of Pentacles trying to tell you? What Bhairavi wants to get you information? I think here people who have selected card 3, I think the things are completely related to something related to completion, something related to some solid stability. It is talking about foundation, it is talking about family, it is talking about a house. King of Pentacles, when I'm seeing the person is sitting, everything it is there, but somewhere I think he is not willing to spend something because he has already frozen with all this thing. But again, when you'll see the next card, we are having Ten of Cups. Family is also there. So you need to learn how to spend on the family, and you need to learn to make some investment for the family. So here King of Pentacles, definitely if we are talking about King of Pentacles is not willing to spend, but I think King of Pentacles is having something long-term approach, some long-term plan he is doing for the family. Here Bhairavi wants you to know, if you are planning to invest somewhere, make sure you are having a share of your family member also, any one of your life partner. Both the life partners can go together. And for this Navratra, I feel people who have selected section 3, Bhairavi clearly wants you to get you lot of celebration message. Spending is there, yes, definitely, but that spending, that it is not actually spending, it is going to be a kind of investment, and that is going to be related to something house, or it is related to family happiness. So most probably either you are going to purchase a vehicle where you are going to spend money and your family is going to enjoy. You are going to meet many people with by using your new car, or by if you have purchased a new car, a new house, people are going to come and meet you. So such kind of celebration, something it is going to happen in this Navaratra or this post Navaratra very soon. So Bhairavi really wants you to know, please come out whatever you are frustrated with the present situation, because here when I'll just look at the breakthrough, I feel you really wanted to come out from all this past thing and all whatever it is happening since long. You were not able to do whatever you had planned since long, so now you wanted to come out and you wanted to just live your life. I think one of your family member also, people who have selected section 3, I think the person is trying to come out and the person is wants to go out and celebrate. The person is frustrated with this lot of blockages, or might be lot of restrictions, or might be this person who we can see in on the breakthrough card. The person must be connected with the King of Pentacles, where the person is having restriction through this King of Pentacles. Might be the person needs to ask money or for different permission, and since King of Pentacles, he seems to be quite mature person, quite practical person. So definitely the other person may feel little restricted, may feel little blocked, and the person wants to live her or his life. So coming time, I think you are going to have that opportunity also, and you are going to enjoy with the people. You are going to meet with different people, where you are going to just enjoy your time. It is going to be a quality time, coming time, and something I think going to be completion. New thing, it is ready to come in your life, and those things are going to be great for you, and that is coming through different connections. So just try to connect with more and more people. Might be you are working on some project or something where you are stuck, so if you'll communicate more, you are going to see the good result, and I think you will be able to come out of that stuck situation also. If your project is not working out, if your business is not working out, if your relationship is not working out, so try to connect with few people, or try to connect with divine. Ma Bhairavi actually wants you to know, please live your life. Don't think you are stuck. Don't think uh, you are in a bad situation. In fact, you are in a good situation. You have to take initiative, come out, and you can live your life. You are free. So work on your energies, in which direction you wanted to go, and accordingly you will be able to come out. So there is some time will come where you will be able to come out from the hard time, and you will feel free. This section 3, I feel this is related to, I think, some families who are since long they are busy with the obligations, responsibilities, and now I think they are going to create something new in their life, and they will feel satisfied, they will feel full, they will feel like whatever has happened in the past, whatever the pain they had taken, I think this is worth, they are going to get the result. And here this King of Pentacle energy, I feel this energy you need to carry, because you need to be very very practical in order to get the results. And definitely section 3, who all are have taken, I think this is completely related to asset. You are going to create some asset during this Navratri. I think Bhairavi wants you to know, please go for your asset creation, please go to meet the people. I think some important people also you are missing to meet. So I think it is a good time to go and meet with the people, and you are going to enjoy the time. Now let's see what is the bonus message for Bhairavi has given. So Bhairavi has given energy work. So as I already said, energies are very strong. Whatever you are trying to manifest, please be clear, because during this Navaratra, I think your energies are electrifying. I think it's very intense, and you can work on your wishes, you can work on your desires. Yes, you need a push, and definitely you will get the people who are going to give you a nice push, and you will be able to come out. So this is the energy work here. It is giving you, please work on your energies. Please take care of your physical body also, because that is also very important. take care of the your physical body, your relatives, your family people, because somewhere it shouldn't happen. Physically you are not well, just because of the reason you are unable to enjoy the good time. So this Navratri, I think little bit care it is required during this energy work. Simply don't go here and there, I think, in lonely places. So because the energies are very high during this Navratra, or you uh, may be attracted by negative energies also. This is also message I am getting, and I don't know why this Bhairavi is trying to get you this message, and it may create health issues in your life, or someone very near and dear to you. I think, I feel it is related to some kid, or a young energy. I feel that person may fall sick, so a little care it is required. So it could be either you or someone in your relationship, and someone very close to you. So this, the caution only I do feel. What Bhairavi here, it is trying to get you again and again, but otherwise everything is okay. And you have to work on your this physical thing. I think you need yoga, you need regular exercise, you need control on your food habits also, because your energies are very high. And probably you may attract negative energy, which is later on it may create little hassle for you, but not much you can control. So just control on your environment, control on your food habits, control on your I would say the exercise pattern, this daily routine, that is going to help you. And try to not to go in a lonely place alone, because possibly you may attract negative energy. So this is the message it is coming. This is the what the Bhairavi wants you to know. This is what Ma Durga wants you to know this coming Navratra, or could be very soon post Navratra also something great is going to happen. So I hope everyone would have enjoyed the reading. If reading has resonates, please do let us know, comment below, and do enjoy the Navratra and seek the blessings of Bhairavi, seek the blessings of Ma Durga, seek the forgiveness, and just heal each and everyone, and just do enjoy your time. If you like the video, do share with your friends and family, and like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to switch on the notification bell. Do enjoy this Navratra. All the very best. Thank you and bye bye.